Böyle diyorsun. Nasıl?
Salim. Almaty's combination of natural beauty, cultural richness, and historical significance makes it one of the Central Asia's most captivating cities. The city's architecture blends Soviet-era buildings with modern skyscrapers and traditional Kazakh elements, creating a unique urban landscape. Almaty is Kazakhstan's financial and cultural hub with a cosmopolitan vibe. The residents often balance modern lifestyles with traditional Kazakh customs. Despite its diversity, Almaty is known for peaceful coexistence and cultural exchange amongst its residents. Beautiful, yeah? What a place to get married, yeah? This can be destination wedding. Look at this place here.
We're inside.
Let's go inside.
No?
Whoa, the ambience is beautiful, man. The ancient vibe of Kazakhstan. What's this? This seems like an oven. Here? There, okay. Now let's go. I really like what you're wearing. Where's the restroom here?
Restroom? Yeah, restroom is there.
Okay.
The room is open door. Yeah.
Okay, I'll just
In
come.
one menu English and one in Russian. Yeah.
Okay. I'll be back. They have a sitting area here as well. You can sit. What a way of presenting the menu. This is nice. I'm very impressed. I'm pretty impressed by your choice. This is indeed a really nice restaurant. I would highly recommend you guys to come at least once. The ambience is top notch. Alright, let's see what we have. Okay, no more coffee. I want to eat something.
I found vegetarian only. This one.
Eggplant,
Yeah.
peppers,
And so,
cilantro.
where is that? Oven.
This one, sweet
Bake.
potato,
Yeah.
tomatoes and yogurt.
It's what I was eating
Yesterday.
It's
The
I
same
think it's something the same.
Yeah. Shashlik. I don't know
Shashlik, it's full of meat.
what. Meat. Okay. Mesh barmak is
It's
meat.
yeah.
Or, the meat that we
Kazakh food with meat.
Yeah. This
With
is a typical-
horse meat. I think that's all.
This is fresh orange juice that I ordered. Let's just. Nice. It tastes good. What you order?
You can try mine.
Okay. With this straw? Or this straw is okay?
Okay.
Do order for another straw. Let's try this one. Yeah, this is good. But it is sugary. This is sugary.
It's without sugar. Without sugar, but it's sweet, but no sugar.
No sugar. Maybe the fruit has a natural sugar in it. But this is good. This looks delicious.
Chusser, cheese, mozzarella, and sulugoni.
Baked potato with sulugini and kemak. Спасибо.
Спасибо, ты классный.
Bon appétit.
All right, let's try it. I'm getting out of this restaurant. You too. Хорошо. I really enjoyed it. The staff is amazing, very polite, very hospitable. Ambience is too good, top notch. Guys, you should definitely visit this place. And the view from here, heaven on earth.
Let's see this terrace.
Yes. I love this place. Thank you, Kiro, for getting me here.
Thank you that you came with me. Even this door is beautiful. Look,
Kazakh style?
nomad. It's, I would say it's ethnic Kazakh style
Ethnic Kazakh, yeah. The design.
design.
And is this sandstone? Or this is, yeah, sandstone, I think.
Sandstone.
Yeah, to
It's
build
how it called?
this. Okay.
This how it called in English?
What do you call it?
Rakushnik.
Okay.
Rakush.
But I'm sure it would be scary at night to live here. Qazak Auyl is a secluded hotel in the Medeu gorge, inspired by a rich tradition of Kazakh hospitality, the authenticity of Nordic styles, and the nature of high mountains.
We thought maybe some workers work here.
Some?
Workers.
Yeah, no, they didn't hire me yet. I'll apply.
You live here?
Yes, we stay here.
Oh, okay.
Yes. It's not cheap. It's about, let's say, $280 US.
For one night
Yes, one night with breakfast. Yes.
with breakfast.
Yes,
$218.
280 US.
80.
Yeah, we pay in Thai baht, so I think it's approximately 250 to 280, depending on the category, depending, I guess, on the time of the year. It goes through Booking.com, so the rate really changes.
Oh, what's the name on booking.com?
Auyl, Kazakh Auyl.
Kazakh
It's the same
Auyl.
old
But the two businesses are separate. Like you won't have breakfast there if you stay here. You're only room service.
Oh, I see.
That's it. Not privileged condition.
Thank you so much.
Bye guys.
Yeah. It's going for sauna there. $280 US per night to live here in Auyl. Beautiful place, guys. If you plan to come to Almaty and you're rich, then you should definitely, stay here for a night. I'm sure the morning view would be amazing as it is now. We're just walking down the lane now. from the restaurant which was behind.
Because we don't have money for taxi. Now we will walk until our hostel.
And I see horses here.
It's 30 kilometers. And
30 kilometers
30.
walk. After spending
13,
money over here.
13.
Oh, 1330. What? Oh, this is a dam, I think. Almaty is all about views and nature. This is a dam, if I'm not wrong. Oh, wow. There's an apple tree. Green apple. Wild apples. For animals.
For animals. For horses.
For horses.
Horses eat apples and Kazakh people eat horses.
Correct.
Hierarchy of our life.
Food chain. This is my hostel here. This is a residential area, if I'm not wrong. Let's go inside. Hi, India?
Yeah, India.
South India?
Yes, Chennai.
You're here for?
1 week.
Okay, just arrived?
Yeah, like yesterday.
Oh, nice. So you are going out now?
No, we already went out now. We came back in. Actually, we came in to book rooms
Oh.
for next 2 days. Yeah.
This is a really nice hostel.
Oh, okay.
Very clean and hygienic.
How do you see that Zen from South India?
Because he's wearing the South Indian attire. You look beautiful and handsome.
Thank you. Thank you.
Nice. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you.
I'm from Mumbai.
Mumbai.
So I came here 2 days back.
Okay.
And I went to, the Shimbulak ski
Shimla
resort.
ski resort,
It's
yeah.
really nice. You've been there?
No, it's actually in our itinerary. Tomorrow we have planned. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow. we have planned. Yeah.
Oh, so you're here through some tours and travel?
No,
we are exploring.
all just only vlogs and stuff. So we came on our own.
Okay, even I'm a vlogger.
Oh, okay.
You can say hi to my vlog.
Okay. Hi. Guys.
And let me know if you want any help.
Yeah.
Even I booked a itinerary, some tours for
Okay.
tomorrow.
Okay.
I'll be going to Kolsai Lake,
Okay.
Candy Lake.
KK Travels. Like KK.
No, it's Kazakhstan. See, I'll show you this is the Almaty Tours KZ.
Okay.
It's pretty cheap.
Okay.
They charge you just 12,000.
Okay.
And for 3 things.
Okay.
And if you want to go to that ski resort,
Okay.
you can just take a bus number 12 from
Okay.
here,
Okay.
and you can just pay 200 to 500 tenge
Okay.
instead of going in private taxi.
Okay,
That'll
okay.
be cheaper.
Bus number 12.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you can download this app, Yandex.
Okay.
I have Yandex,
Yeah. So it will help you. Like this, you can avoid paying extra.
Okay.
Otherwise, if you just go from taxi, they'll charge you double.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're newly married?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can I have your number or something, Instagram or
Yeah. That's why Instagram. You can
Yeah.
just drop a text. This is my Instagram.
I'll check it. Okay.
Okay. All right. I'll see you.
you.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Bye. Oh, cute couple from India. Oi, I didn't say bye to you. I'll be resting now. They are from India.
You didn't put your shoes.
There,
Yeah.
no? I thought there. Okay. I'll remove inside only. Okay. Hi.